Please like, share, and subscribe.
2021 BMW X7 M50i, finished in mineral white metallic with ivory white interior. This is a one-owner X7 that is loaded and had an original MSRP of $116,775. The 2021 BMW X7 M50i is a luxury SUV with a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine that produces 523 horsepower. It has a top speed of 130 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Features: engine, 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 523 horsepower. Transmission, 8-speed sport automatic with driver-selectable mode and steering wheel controls. Suspension, for corner auto leveling suspension with double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension. Seating, 3 rows that can seat up to 6 people. Interior, heated front seats, leather seats, and ambient lighting. Technology, digital gauge cluster, heads-up display, and remote engine start. Options on this X7 are cold weather package. Front and rear heated seats, 5-zone auto climate control, dynamic handling package, integral active steering, active comfort drive with preview, driver's assistance pro package, extended traffic jam assistant, active driving assistant pro, luxury seating package, front massaging seats, executive package, heated and cooled cup holders, CarPlay/Android Auto compatible, enhanced USB and Bluetooth, active blind spot detection, remote engine start, M-Sport exhaust system, 22-inch Y-spoke 758i performance wheels, 8-speed sport auto transmission, M-Sport differential, trailer hitch, roof rails and high gloss M-Sport brakes with black caliper, comfort access, keyless entry, soft close automatic doors, glass controls, travel and comfort system, heated front seats, armrests and steering wheel, leather dashboard, ambient lighting, second row captain's chairs, individual ash gray trim, rear electric window shades, luggage, compartment package, privacy glass, active guard, icon adaptive LED with laser light, LED fog lights, parking assistant plus, connected package pro, drive recorder, Bowers and Wilkins sound system, live cockpit pro, gesture control, head-up display, M steering wheel, shadow line, exterior trim, anthracite, Alcantara headliner,